Hello, my name is Peter. I'm part of the team here at CLIQ Marketing Content. And today I want to showcase some exciting results that we've obtained for our client based in Adelaide of Australia, who specializes in the construction industry, specifically rock repair in timber housing. So Australia, there's a lot of timber housing, and the season is very, very varied. So you got hot seasons, wet seasons, and cold seasons. And older houses, especially from 70s, 80s, 90s, create a lot of issues down in the long run as well. Long-term issues with potential rot in their timber or construction issues. So this is an exciting campaign. This is an exciting industry because it is such a niche industry, but there is a huge demand for it. And our client is definitely dominating in this industry. You can see last month in May of 2025, the weather was getting wetter, it was getting colder. We got some good results. We got about almost 5%, so 4.6% click through rate for their search campaign. And we've got a great 16.7% conversion rate with a 62 conversions. So here at CLIQ, we focus on form submissions and phone calls, which is lead generation. We create a great landing page experience for your business, specifically honed on one or two services. So this client is focusing on residential buildings and in Adelaide alone doing rock repair. And $127 CPA, while it could sound high in the sounds of things, but the value of their customers significantly outweighs the cost that they spend on these ads alone. So even at 62%, these people can convert half of them. That's a great result for our client, and that's kept them very, very happy indeed. We also run a second campaign called a PMAX campaign or Performance Max, where they cover five different Google channels such as Display, Google Maps, YouTube, Gmail, and it shows your ads in all sorts of different parts of Google's ecosystem. So this is generated through AI. So there's less control, but good results if you do it right. So, with great headlines, descriptions, images, and a good video, you can capture a wider audience who might be a bit higher in the funnel, who've noticed maybe their housing needs a bit of work down the line. So, it's great to bring in new leads while the search campaign will bring in the leads ready to maybe convert further down the funnel, who's got the budget, who's ready to make the commitment to give you a call and book you in. So this search campaign, as you can see, has a lower click-through rate or an interaction rate, and that's because it's higher up in the sales funnel. We have a a lower conversion rate as well. People might see the ad, doesn't mean they're necessarily calling the ad if they're actually higher up in the sales funnel, but we still manage to give them 23 good leads, whether that's a form submission or a phone call, at a cheaper cost per conversion or CPA, which is $93.52. Now it's up to the client to convince these people who we've generated as leads that yes, this is what they need and this is the service that they can provide. So if you are in the construction industry here in Australia, give us a call here at CLIQ Marketing Content, or you can email us at admin@clickmc.com.au. We'd love to have a chat with you on how we can improve your business and your lead generation for the rest of 2025 and beyond. Thank you.